let's learn how you can display remaining charging time on iPhone. So first step is to open your browser, and here you want to type in battery intelligence shortcut. So click on the first link that appears right here, so this routing hub, and you want to click on this get shortcut button. Now it will open your shortcut application. You want to click on this add shortcut. Now you want to click on it and allow. So here it says it's about 32 minutes to full charge. Now you can create this to appear every time you plug in your phone on charger. So you want to head over to automations, click on it, on search type in charge, and select when is connected and run immediately, sorry, and click on next. Now you want to select battery intelligence, and that's it. So if you plug it right now, it's gonna appear right here. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.